Um, but let me describe a scenario really fast, and I'll promise I'll be quick. O'Connell High School here in the Mission, freshman class of about 200 people when I first started teaching. The senior class is 50 students. That means that 25% of the students actually make it to their senior year, and their dropouts are the result of incompetent teachers and incompetent bureaucracy, a white male supremacist education system that fills their heads with lies, devalues their culture, and eventually pushes them out onto the street and into prison. It is a tragedy that whose magnitude is unfathomable. But you know what engages them in the classroom, and I know this as an educator? Cell phones. They love cell phones, and they're not just Snapchatting, they're not just Facebooking and Instagramming. They're actually communicating with the world and the world of ideas. They're learning, they're growing, they're sharing, and it's incredibly important that they can do so freely. That's why we need Title II restrictions to be applied to wireless communications wholesale.